We will now have another product showcase by Mr. Kamalakar Devaki, who's the founder of Vyomastra Technologies LLP on drones theme.
Hello everyone, this is Kamal, founder of Vyomastra Technologies. I am glad that I am here today to introduce and talk about Vyomastra Technologies. So Vyomastra is a full stack drone company. When I say full stack drone company, we just don't manufacture the drone as a hardware, but we do create softwares. And then also we are a company who is working on anti-drone technology, meaning identification of the rogue drones and intercept them. Vyomastra is a name created by combining two words, which we literally translated from Sanskrit to English, or Sanskrit words. Vyo meaning sky and Astra is weapon. So Vyomastra is a company which is dealing with anti-drone technology. In 2020, NSG, that is National Security Guard of India, has come up with a problem statement where they invited startups to submit their solutions to detect rogue drones and counter drone technology, where we have submitted our idea, and today we are proud that we are at final 5 in the competition. We have designed the solution keeping key aspects, that is like the solution should be very practical given that India has variety of landscapes and weathers, right? The solution should work right in Himalayas to Thar deserts to hills and valleys and mountains, and also in concrete jungles like Bangalore, Mumbai, Delhi. So we also want to be compliant and also work with DGCA, integrating various uh, options provided by DGCA, like any APIs like NPNT and all. So Vyomastra has been operational since 2021. What we do in Vyomastra is we are creating a drone portfolio where we are creating drones which are again powered with AI, and then the categories are medical drones, surveyor and surveillance drones, and then we also have platforms which are like to help monitor and track the drones, that is UTM stack, and then includes even task scheduling. And then what we are building here is drones that can comply with complete requirements of remote diagnostics and prognostics, meaning at any given point of time remotely one should be able to take the snapshot of the drone, which includes the health status of the flight, its components, at any given point of time, enabling predictive maintenance. And as part of the anti-drone, we are using a creative combination of AI and passive radar components to create that new technology which can detect drones. And this technology is scalable, as I mentioned in my previously, that it should work across India given any topology. And then we are bringing in blockchain and AI into the drone and make these drones robust and reliable. So journey so far has been great. We have reached to the place where we have a production ready drones, and then we are working on various components to be indigenized, and we want to achieve something around 50% of indigenization or greater than that. So we are building our own BMS system, that is battery management system. We are building our own precision landing systems where we want to sell those as off-the-shelf components. And then we also have ground station module that is Android ported, and then it can run on Android base stations. UAV traffic management is completely cloud enabled. It's SaaS based platform, and it can scale to thousands of drones. And passive radar, we have achieved a great progress where we are filed the patent, and the today to this patent is PCT evaluation pending. We are also working on a new patent which is in the stage of prior art search. Again, it is going to complement the anti-drone piece. So we are incubated by NASCOM and IIT Mandi, and we are also part of Microsoft for startups. We want to create technology that is going to be relevant for next coming decades. So we want to be part of the upcoming perceived network warfare or electronic warfare. So we are creating products, or we are ideating those products which can give us that runway to be part of that journey. Let me walk you through some of the demos. So we are a true garage story. This is our initial version of the drone where we started playing with creating the drone, and then and this is our production ready Boomi series drone. And what you see there is Android enabled ground station control, which has where our ground control software is ported onto it. This is the drone at the test where we have taken it to the fields nearby Mysore, and we have did a complete testing of the drones of the complete stack, and we are proud and glad to say that our survey software stack is at 100% accuracy with 1 centimeter level precision, and these are the outputs from the software stack with respect to surveys. Now let me walk you through other interesting demo where we actually made the drone. As I mentioned, it's a drone. These drones are robust and enough drones, reliable enough. So we have bought AI on top of the drones, and you can actually put the modules. What are the models that you want? Today it could be like in a person tracking or suspect tracking. Tomorrow it can be deployed in uh, oil and gas fields to monitor some assets, or it could be suspect tracking, or it could be for pipeline monitoring, or it could be from T&D monitoring. So applications can be any. All you need to do is use Vyomastra stack here to deploy the models on top of your drone. And then we also have made the drone completely 4G stack enabled, and we are working towards 5G enablement, meaning these drones, when switched on, can come onto the internet, and these can become controlled and monitored from anywhere on the globe, and from your internet. So that's what we have got into the Vyomastra drones. So it publishes its location as soon as you switch on the drone, and then all the controls are brought onto the browser, and these are completely permission driven. It allows the particular user with particular privileges can control the drone, and you can actually do everything within the browser itself, like planning the machine and all. And you also you can give the commands to move forward, right from takeoff to move forward, left, turn right, any kind of commands. So the applications of our drones are boundless. So we are here to help companies realize their drone automation or usage of drones for various deployment of the drones for various use cases. Looking forward to interact with you all, and then please reach out to us in case you have any requirements or you're planning to deploy drones soon. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Kamalakar.